What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Zeta chain. Or just Zeta, we'll call it Zeta in this video, but it has been massively bullish over the course of today, still rallying at this point of time, still making higher highs. And the obvious reason for that is, or at least the obvious reason for it, I'm not sure if it is, because there are some things I would like to talk about in this video which are quite severe and which are not great. But no, Zeta is going to be listed on Coinbase, alright? So it was added to the roadmap today, which basically means that Coinbase is going to list it at some point of time, which is obviously Coinbase still being one of the biggest exchanges and definitely the biggest exchange in the US. That still is very important, alright, and very bullish. So that's why we have been rallying. The thing though is, and I've also talked about this on my X channel on Twitter, is that I think that there are inside traders, all right? And that's why you should be careful, because when there's inside traders, they will sell off their positions at some point of time. But we already saw this yesterday. I mean, the listing announcement came right here, all right? So with this move, so you can see a lot of people bought then. People always do. When something is listed on Coinbase, people buy the coin. But what's interesting is that before that, people already were buying yesterday, all right? So what's going on is that there was probably some sort of a group of traders, some sort of a group of inside traders, which is illegal, who knew about this, all right? And what you saw already, and I covered this, like we already talked about this yesterday in the Cilinix Premium, that something was going on with Zeta, all right? Because what you can see on the 1 hour time frame is that, well, when we got that momentum, the market structure was technically shifting bullish. You had this major key level right here at like 43 cents. And we were able to break above that with momentum. So yesterday, over the course of today, there were already some eyeballs on Zeta. And then the listing came. I think that's shady. I think there's inside trading. Does that matter much? No. All right. Because at this point of time, momentum is still increasing. We are still very bullish. So whether it's inside traders or not, I am still bullish on Zeta. All right. Apart from that, it's also like Zeta itself, I don't think is a great long-term hold. Because the tokenomics are not good. If you want to know more about that, then, well, look up their tokenomics. But basically, there's a lot of emissions and a lot of inflation. So I don't think Zeta is great. But if you look at it right now, like we're about to break above the 100 EMA here. On the 4 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we just broke above 50 cents. Big bullish breakout while still gaining momentum. So I think it's most likely we're going up here, and our main resistance level is right here at 58 and 60 cents. I think we're going there. Will we break above that? Yes or no? I'm not sure. All right, it's going to be a tough resistance level to break, and I at least initially expect resistance. And then if with that resistance we can find some sort of a good support and we still have momentum, then we can also break above that. So I am bullish. I think we're going up higher. I do think we'll find resistance at that level at 58 and 60 cents. And then depending on the resistance, like for example, if we do like literally something like this in candles, I think we'll break out. All right. Like if we find support and start making higher highs from that support, I think we'll break out. But that's something we'll still have to see. And because of the fact that I think there are inside traders and quite a lot, they will sell off their positions at some point of time. All right, so be careful for that as well. Even though, like, I expect resistance here, even though it's possible that we break out later, it's not guaranteed. All right, it might also be the level where the inside traders think, we're going to dump our positions. And now we're still gaining momentum, but if we lose a ton of open interest, this could also be the top, around 60 cents. It's technically strong enough to be the top. So be careful, short-term bullish, medium-term still bearish because of the fundamentals of the project. But those are my thoughts for now. All right, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.